This video playlist provides a tutorial of the Azore CFD software to set up, run, and post-process results from a flow simulation. There are 6 total videos for the Polychute tutorial, and a written version of this tutorial is included with the Azore software as a PDF file. Step 1 of the Polychute tutorial is to launch the Azore software from the desktop icon. The Azore graphical interface allows you to set up a CFD simulation, run the Azore solver, and post-process results. The menu structure at the top of the Azore window shows the main menu options. For this tutorial, we will start with an existing mesh file and do a complete simulation, including creating solution monitors, running the solver, and analyzing results. We will start by importing the Polychute mesh by navigating to the Polychute directory under Azore Tutorials. We will begin by adding 2 point solution monitors, and we will rename these points and designate their coordinates. We will then add 2 surface solution monitors. Clicking the Surfaces button will allow us to select the proper surface for each monitor. To run the Polychute simulation, we will save the database. We will run the simulation for 500 iterations. Once the run is connected, we will display the residuals monitor as well as the 2 service monitors. We will also add a monitor to show the 2 velocity points. We can choose to stop the run before the 500 iterations are completed and load the database. Once the database has been loaded, we can then analyze the simulation results. Under the Contours tab, we will select this plane and press Generate. We will then change the field to show Z velocity. You can choose to use display range or global range. We can change the units of velocity to feet per minute and select rounded for the range. Under the Paths tab, press the Initialize Paths button. Highlight Shut Inlet and press Generate to show the path lines. Deselect Distribute for additional path lines. Press the Stats button to view statistics from the inlet to outlet. To choose which data you wish to display, go to Reporting and Surface Data. Select your surface of interest and report standard statistics. Go to File, Export to choose which simulation data to export to other post-processors. We will select the three wall surfaces, static pressure, and VTK. Create a folder called VTK Results and finish the export process.